Welcome to today's lesson. Today we're going to learn and revise an important area of grammar, capitalization. Now, while it might not be tested in your speaking, it is definitely assessed in your writing. That means it's not just vital for IELTS candidates, but for anyone preparing for a written test or improving their writing skills. I've broken the rules down in a simple and logical way so you can fully understand them and apply them easily in your own writing without any confusion. So, let's dive in. We'll start with one of the most common rules, and one that is universally known: the first letter of the first word in a sentence. The very first letter of the very first word in any sentence is always capitalized. It doesn't matter if that word is a noun, pronoun, number, article, or anything else. It will always begin with an uppercase letter. Example: the dog barked loudly when the doorbell rang. Here, the first letter, T, in the article the, is capitalized. Number 2. In English, capitals are always used for proper nouns. Proper nouns are the names of specific people, places, or things. Here, things refers to specific named objects, events, creations, or titles. Example sentence: during the Renaissance, artists like Leonardo da Vinci painted masterpieces such as the Mona Lisa, which can be seen at the Louvre Museum in Paris. In this sentence, Renaissance is a historical period or event. Leonardo da Vinci is a person's name. Mona Lisa is a specific artwork. Louvre Museum is a specific institution. Paris is a city name. Notice that these proper nouns are always capitalized, no matter where they appear in the sentence. Also notice that Louvre Museum and Mona Lisa have both words capitalized, but this does not happen in the case of Leonardo da Vinci. This is because Leonardo da Vinci is an Italian full name that includes the preposition da, meaning of or from. Prepositions in names are not regarded as the main part of the name, unlike given names or surnames, and therefore are not capitalized, unless they begin a sentence or a specific style guide requires them to be. Days, months, and holidays are always capitalized in English. For example, you might say, she was born on Monday in July, and her favorite holiday is Christmas. Notice how Monday, July, and Christmas all start with capital letters, no matter where they appear in the sentence. This rule applies to all days of the week, Sunday, Monday, etc., months, January to December, and officially recognized holidays, New Year's Day, Eid al-Fitr, Thanksgiving, etc. Next, 4. Titles, books, songs, movies, etc. In English, capitals are typically used for titles. This means you capitalize the first word and all main or important words in the title. Nouns, pronouns, adjectives, verbs, and adverbs are capitalized, while short prepositions, articles, and conjunctions are usually lowercase, unless they are the first or last word in the title. Example: I enjoyed reading Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen. When days, months, or holidays appear in titles, they are always capitalized. Tuesday's Gone is a song by Lynyrd Skynyrd. September Songs is an album by Willie Nelson. Independence Day is a film directed by Roland Emmerich. Next, 5. In English, abbreviations and acronyms are usually written in capital letters, especially acronyms. Abbreviations are shortened forms of words. Example: I have an appointment with Dr. Smith tomorrow. Doctor, in this case, is short for doctor. Acronyms are formed from the first letters of several words and are read as a single word. Example: NASA launched a new satellite last week. NASA stands for National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Next, 6. Religious references. In many religious contexts, words referring to deities or divine figures are capitalized. Examples: God, Allah, Jesus, Krishna. Capitalize the names of religions and the names of their adherents. Examples: Christianity, Christian, Islam, Muslim, Hinduism, Hindu. Example sentence: Christianity has various denominations, including Catholicism and Protestantism. Next, direct quotations. The first letter in a direct quotation is always capitalized. This is because you are quoting someone's exact words, and the beginning of their sentence should start with a capital letter. Example: He said, "Tomorrow will be sunny." Notice how tomorrow begins with a capital letter inside the quotation marks. Number 8. Brand names and trademarks. Example: Coca-Cola, iPhone. Capitalize the names of specific institutions, organizations, or companies because they refer to unique and significant entities. Examples: Harvard University is renowned for its academic excellence. Apple Inc. is famous for its innovative products like the iPhone and MacBook. Number 9. Nationalities and languages. Capitalize names of nationalities, example Italian, and languages, example Spanish. Spanish is spoken in many countries, including Spain. Easy and simple, right? Number 10. Historic events and important documents. Capitalize the names of historic events and important documents because they refer to unique and significant moments or creations in history. Examples of historic events: Many soldiers fought bravely during World War II, which changed the course of history. The signing of the Declaration of Independence was a pivotal moment in history. Examples of historic documents: the Magna Carta is considered one of the most important documents in the history of democracy. Proper capitalization helps ensure clarity, accuracy, and professionalism, qualities that IELTS examiners look closely at. If you want more IELTS-focused grammar resources and lessons like this, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon to get future updates from the channel. Your support helps us create more helpful content for your IELTS success.